In this lesson, we are going to apply the corresponding angles theorem in solving a problem. Let us solve this problem. Line M and line N are parallel. If the measure of angle 1 is equal to 3x minus 8 and the measure of angle 2 is equal to 6x minus 53. Find the measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle 2. This is the figure. This is the line M and this is line N. These two lines are parallel, and this line cutting the two parallel lines is the transversal T. This is the angle 1 and this is angle 2. Solution. According to the corresponding angles theorem, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the corresponding angles are congruent. In the figure, the two parallel lines are line M and line N. These two parallel lines are cut by transversal T. And angle 1 and angle 2 are corresponding angles. According to the theorem, angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. If angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, then their measures are equal. So we can say that the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 2. It is given that the measure of angle 1 is equal to 3x minus 8. So we can substitute 3x minus 8 for measure of angle 1. It is also given that the measure of angle 2 is equal to 6x minus 53. So we can substitute 6x minus 53 for measure of angle 2. So we have now 3x minus 8 is equal to 6x minus 53. We are going to solve for x. We are going to transpose 6x to the left side of the equation. We change its sign from positive to negative. And then we are going to transpose negative 8 to the right side. We are going to change its sign from negative to positive. So we have now 3x minus 6x is equal to negative 53 plus 8. This is now equal to negative 3x is equal to negative 45. And then we divide the left side of the equation as well as the right side of the equation by negative 3. So divided by negative 3 and then divided by negative 3. This is now equal to x is equal to 15. So the value of x is equal to 15. According to the problem, the measure of angle 1 is equal to 3x minus 8. The value of x is 15, so we substitute 15 for x. This is now equal to 3 times 15 minus 8. This is equal to 45 minus 8, and 45 minus 8 is equal to 37. So the measure of angle 1 is equal to 37. So angle 1 is equal to 37 degrees. According to the problem, the measure of angle 2 is equal to 6x minus 53. We already know the value of x. It is equal to 15. So we substitute 15 for x. This is now equal to 6 times 15 minus 53. This is now equal to 90 minus 53. And 90 minus 53 is equal to 37. So the measure of angle 2 is equal to 37. Therefore, angle 2 is equal to 37 degrees. We can see that angle 1 is really congruent to angle 2 because their measures are equal.